So Mustapha will have, I will sure we'll speak in a minute when we get tea. See?
Aït Bouguemez.
Ils ont du bon chambord trop chaud, la vue panoramique sur elle.
Mustapha, he's not experienced, so give him a hand here.
Were they?
Takers first then, did they?
Well, aye, kinda.
I'm a bit bored. I'm going to take a rain shell off soon.
Are you? How are you all feeling? How are you feeling, Marty?
Yeah.
Want to go back down?
Start all over again.
We're walking.
Just take a pee.
Alright, sure, come up on Mustapha. We have to cross that there.
Go for a pee over here. So we're not stopping for lunch.
No.
hairy. Brought me to my knees.
I look.
Nobody touch them. Nay, we'll reroute motorways to avoid them. Because it's very, I think it's bad luck. Hello.
Getting ready to go.
And pulled. That sun is hot. Starting to bake.
Added later. 5 meters of snow from the. So this is like the end of the bridge, but the snow is in here.
Oh yes, so you just walk on the snow.
Just walk down. Yeah, so we need to keep enough space under the moped.
There, yes. And this.
Flash, no?
I've like, hang on, I'll use mine first. And then I'm going to have to wait a second on the set. And then so there is gulpy as well. Hang on.
Just be careful because what happens is, I know you've been up there and you know the track. Just to go in and then you don't realise and then all of a sudden you're like, you could keep dropping in and then you're in. Stabilise? It's a sign, isn't it?
How are you, Mustapha?
Good. Happy days.
We're here again.
Oh, yeah.
Happy days are here
Happy
again.
days are here.
I have to admit, walking for a long time at that altitude made it different. It's just like that. You can put diesel.
Diesel?
Diesel in it.
Actually, I was using diesel.
Oh,
earlier.
freaking
Yeah.
bad.
Oh, it's good. It's cheap. Cheaper than that one.
Hey, what do you reckon?
Ah, brilliant. Hot.
Sucking feet?
From roasting hot mountains to climb on day 1, to the ice on day 2 and 3, back to the desert / jungle maybe on day 4.
Not the wind.
With blisters half the size of the digits they're on. We're doing alright. Great success! I think I have a stone in my shoe.
Mustapha, I have a needle and thread for your your thing if you want.
What is it?
To sew your
Oh,
thing.
yeah.
I have a needle and
I
thread.
got a needle too.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
I always carry. I used to. I landed in Indonesia, right?
Yeah, please, I'll take a
And,
read.
I didn't have enough money to get out of the airport. You have to pay airport tax. So I was coming back. What was it? I was leaving the country, going to Australia, right? And because it was cloudy, I didn't have a clue what I was doing. And they said you're not getting out because you've no freaking airport tax, and it was like 500 some stupid. So I had 50p.
You take this.
Of a cent of Australian money in my wallet, because my auntie buys me a wallet for my birthday. She bought me a wallet and she always puts 50 cents in it. Good luck. That's the only money I had because I ran out of money. It was really stupid of me. So I had to border with the bloody airport security to take my CD. Those CDs, like I was literally standing there bordering with the officials, and they took it and let me out. And then I landed in Australia with no visa. It was invalid for 9 days because I had to be there for 9 days. And they were going, what you know your visa's not valid for another 9 days, right? And then they were going, this was about 9 o'clock at night, 10 or something, right? And I was standing going, well, I mean, they were going to like send me back, and I said, no, I have a cousin in Perth, and they says, where are they? And they went, can you phone them? And I went, I have 50 cents in my pocket, and I have my cousin's phone number, so I went and phoned them, and my auntie was like, what? Where are you? What are you doing? Where? Came and picked me up, and then my cousin got me a black job, so like a legal job.
You need some more.
And I went to work for him, and
That's fine.
and then travelled a wee bit more. Man, I winged it completely when we went with it. Fucking no plan whatsoever, just yeah. Those were the days, like back in the day, whenever
Just go for it.
just go for it. No wife, no kids, no absolutely. My mom's nerves were wrecked. They really were like.
Where are you now?
What is he doing? Is he going to get himself killed?
I'm really just.
Incredible experience, I have to admit though.
Hello.
A couple of hours just. But look at it, mate, you couldn't.
Regrettably, I'm not physically able, so I'm not going to punish myself further.
Mustapha, thank you. Safe.
Nope, Mustapha, you come with us?
They got one there. That's 40 to 60. Yours is 65, but if you're packing all that much, then you just need one of them. I think one of them is really like a little spawn proof. Like.
Marty, so how's your trip?
It's good, been brilliant. Exhausting. Wind, fire, storm, snow, everything. I would recommend it.
Very good. Asking me about the trip, were you?
How's your feet?
Feet are in bits like last year. In bits. Only this time worse because